Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you what to do when you've just ordered an item on TEMU and when you get it home it seems to be broken or missing parts. Now it's a very common issue and I'm going to show you step by step on how to solve this issue. Now the first step is to open up your preferred browser right here and head down to the TEMU web shop. Now once you're in the TEMU web shop, simply sign in to the account where you've just made the order, where you have received a broken item. Now from there what you want to do is go to the top right of your screen, open up the orders and account page, and from there you see a little support button right next to the orders and account. You simply press it and find out which order it was where the broken part was. So which item it was. Now let's say it's this phone case, for example. What I want to do, I want to press this order, and from there I can select the problems with an item tab and go to damaged or defective item. Now here you can request a refund or a return. And from there, go to have you received your packets. Now simply press yes because your item is broken. And from there you can select the phone case, for example. Now here you have a reason for return. Now make sure that the product has been damaged, but shipping box was okay, for example, or the product and shipping box are both damaged, so it happened in the shipping. Now from there you can upload an item of the broken item, a image or a video if it's necessary. Now from here you can place a comment. So let's say the item has been damaged. Now simply explain in detail what is damaged and how it has been damaged, and from there you can go to the next step and request a refund. Now TEMU will probably give you a refund or check if it's a valid request. Now it's a very quick response from TEMU, so only probably a couple of days. Now if you still get any other questions, leave them in the comments down below. If this content had helped you, I would highly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.